Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Today is the day. Today is my last meal. Meaning, it's April 30th. It's the last day of the year for me. Before I get to the food, I want to thank all the members of the Casual Chef's Kitchen group, my moderators, and the businesses that have supported me, because I don't have any real sponsors, but I do have organizations and businesses who have helped me. I'm going to show you something. This is the stack of recipes from the last year. It's approximately 340 to 350-ish unique recipes that I have prepared in the last year. Big milestone. Yes, there are some repeats. I did repeat a few things like prime rib, like I repeated a dish this last Sunday, the chili mac. But the number still stands. In the last year, 340 plus unique recipes. Wow. All right. Now let's get to the food. Yesterday, I did a dump, mix, dump, and run recipe called garlic and lemon chicken with red potatoes and green beans. It's the recipe has a few little faults in it. It will not fit in, like I say, a 12-inch nonstick, or I'm sorry, a 12-inch cast iron. I had to put it in a 9x13 pan for it to fit. If I hadn't added some herbs and spices to it, it would have been not bland, but it would have just been eh. And Robin and I both agree with that. Will I do it again? I don't know. It was good. Definitely had a lot of lemony flavor into it, and so forth. So, for tonight, my last meal, I am doing ribeye steaks that will be reverse seared with a mushroom peppercorn sauce and the Casual Chef corn and pea sauté. Let's take a look. Got the cast irons out. Yes, I got the new one out, and I got the older one out, and another nonstick pan. It's a pan day. I'm probably going to have to break out my little side stove, my little stovetop. So here we got some ribeyes, some olive oil, some kosher salt, black pepper, and for the sauce, some beef stock, some heavy whipping cream, or heavy cream, garlic, some brandy, of course, some whole black peppercorns. I have to go get the mushrooms and the shallot that goes in this. I oopsed on the shopping list. And we're having baked potatoes with sour cream and butter and just salt and pepper. Just good old plain Jane baked potatoes. And for the corn and pea sauté, of course, frozen corn, frozen peas, half an onion that'll be diced. Of course, lots and lots of butter. And I probably use about half or 3/4 of this red onion, and I'll dice that as well. So, a fun American meal. Yes. And on this last meal day of mine, again, I want to thank everybody in the Casual Chef's Kitchens group, my friends, my family. Yeah. Thank you. It's been an adventure. I'm still going to be doing new meals, but you're going to see some repeats. The cookbook is still moving along. Yeah. I'll keep you updated. So on this Tuesday, this last meal Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.